The first thing I want you to do today, good afternoon by the way, is to update your website. So you've conducted your research for your topic, and some of you have even designed your game scenes already. So now let's update. The website's on the board. I'm going to edit my site. Now, last time we logged in, I had you set up 4 tabs. If you haven't done this yet, search for my old video about how to do this. We have home, about me, research, and artwork. I want you to put your research for your topic on your research page. So if I click on my research page, scroll down, start with a layout. I can pick a layout or I can drag elements here. So I'm going to keep mine simple, grab text. You can organize this however you want. If you want to put a title, if you want to divide your facts one by one, I mean, you have a lot of options here on the side. Bottom line though is you have to have your research here. So here's my text box. I'm going to go into my topic, research your topic, and all I want you to do is copy and paste everything that you did. So I'll take my fact 1, copy, paste. If you want, you guys can mess around with how it looks, how it's organized. All of that's up to you. I'm looking for content. So for example, I might make this a different bullet. I might center it instead of left align. You might clear the formatting altogether to reformat it. Isn't that clear formatting? Yeah, remove formatting. That button's not working for me. You can mess with the color of your font, so on and so forth. But first thing I want you to do is to upload all your research, so your 5 facts and the information below onto your research. After you've done your research, I want you to move on to design game scene. So here you're starting to think about more of your game. You've done all the research, you've gathered your ideas, your facts about your topic. Now you need to start actually thinking, how is this going to look in my game? So create a backstory. Focus on providing a purpose for why the player is playing your game. So for example, mine had to do with the Mayans and this chocolate milk, so to speak, chocolate drink that gave them mystical powers. So the purpose of my game might be to become a god by collecting this item, and then I'll be promoted from mere mortal into this savage god of some sort, so on and so forth. It's just a random idea off my head. But I want you to complete design game scene. Now, some of you I noticed have already completed all of these. Therefore, you're ready to move on to the next part, which is again, update your website, but this time it's going to be in a different part of your website. It's going to be on your artwork page. So click on your artwork page. There we go. Same thing, start with a layout. You can choose how it's organized. So I kind of like this one. Actually, I really like this one because you guys are going to complete your game art after this. So then the picture, I would be able to edit it. I'll keep that. I'd be able to edit it and add in a picture of my artwork after I've created it. But for now, you see I haven't done mine, not for this one. But I would do the same thing that you did before. Copy and paste it onto your website. So I might do, but I might change this one. Describe scene would be here. There you go, describe scene. And then I would have my answers below. Now, last but not least, before you finish today, you have to publish your website. No one else can see this until you've published it and told Weebly, which is the website we're using, until you tell it to publish it. So once it says website publish, you can exit out and you're good to close out. And that's your goal for today, is get your work onto your website. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. You're welcome to listen to music while you do so.